It seems to me that the lectures may be grouped under four main topics. One group of contributions dealt with biographical details, the history of Beethoven research, the history of Beethoven biography, the bibliography on Beethoven. The second topic was what seems to be the fashion in musicological research now, rhetoric and music. The influence of poetic versification, rhyme, strophe, and figures of speech on music. There were several lectures dealing with strophe and verse as principles of structure in Beethoven's instrumental music. Figures of speech, topoi, T-O-P-O-I, Greek, and their relation to Beethoven's music were discussed. For another topic, hermeneutic, H-E-R-M-E-N-E-U-T-I-C. Hermeneutic, the chairman of the Congress, Professor Schenk, almost apologized. He tried to explain that hermeneutic was something that for a good number of years was taboo. One didn't talk about that in polite society. Now, under a new name, content analysis, it is, again, fashionable, and one tries to derive an almost almost concrete meanings from the shape of melodies and harmonic progressions, and to fashion a kind of vocabulary. So it is again a field of musicological research. It's something like the Salvation 6/4 chord that one talks about in Wagner, etc. And that is being extended to all sorts of other harmonies and melodic formulas. This new or renewed branch of criticism was amply applied to Beethoven's music by several lecturers. The fourth topic was aesthetics and its place in the evaluation of Beethoven's music. The entire body of lectures was consciously and successfully steered away from hero worship, exuberant praise, generalities, and journalese. The lectures were not for that reason by any means dry or pedestrian. They kept a scholarly but exciting tone. If time would allow me to give you more than a summary of 3 or at best 4 of these lectures, you would see of what a high level all the contributions were, or at least so they seemed to me as a complete layman. Again, I must refer you to the report which you will eventually receive. I might mention also that before each lecture, the speaker was only very briefly presented by Professor Schenk or someone whom Dr. Schenk had delegated. Afterwards, the same person summed up the contribution and related the topic briefly to themes treated by other speakers. Other than that, there were no question periods or discussions, maybe privately but not publicly.